2014 to 2017 Range Rover Retrofit Analog Cluster to Digital Cluster. Here below, let's take a look at our retrofit cases in car. 2017 Sport having its analog instrument cluster swapped out for a digital one. This feature is not available in the 2017 model year, and you will not find it in the brochure. But of course, we're here to make it happen for customers who would like it on their vehicle. All existing features and functionality either still remain or are upgraded, like the oil position maintenance reminder perfect match. Range Rover 2016 upgraded 2022 instrument cluster. Technical support including programming remotely. All existing features and functionality either still remain or are upgraded with perfect match. Range Rover 2017 updated digital instrument cluster from old to new in 2020 models of LCD instrument cluster. No trouble faults, we support the retrofit programming via remotely. 2015 Land Rover Sport Retrofit Analog Cluster to Digital Cluster. The screen maps are now available to the customer due to the new cluster. All existing features and functionality either still remain or are upgraded with perfect match. We supply all the Jaguar Land Rover OEM SPA reparts upgrade kits with wiring harnesses and remote coding with the Jet Master tool. The JLR engineering tool via remote support. Learn more details at jlr-retrofit.com. Thank you.